Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a velocity edit in like seconds. Super simple. You're just going to select your video, you're going to select style, and then you're going to select velocity. Now most of these are pro, but if you select the flash one, it's for free, and you can even adjust it to your liking here once it's done generating. So select adjust. You can select the music source. I just selected video. You can adjust the beat frequency here, and you can also adjust the speed as well, and you can adjust the intensity of the flash, and it's going to regenerate that for you, and just like adjust it to your liking. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.